Alright guys, so this is part 2 of the rear lip bumper. As you can see on screen, this is where I was doing most of my prep work. You can see where I seamed it together right here. Used a lot of primer and filler primer, and then also a body panel filler that's specifically used on plastic to kind of mend it together. I did put a lot of time into that to get it to turn out very well. This is the finished product, and this is right after it got its final coat of paint, and you can see it's got a little bit of orange peel to it, but that's nothing a little wet sanding can't take care of. But in the end, it actually turned out very, very nice. There were a couple spots where there's just a little bit of imperfection, but it's something that you're only really going to see that if you go up close to the car. And for the most part, it turned out excellent. So just finishing showing you this around here. I didn't paint this. I had a body shop friend of mine do it, and he did an excellent job. That was the deal. I had to do the body work, and then he would paint it. So this shot is of it installed on the car. This is literally maybe a day or two after it got finished painting. I was able to get it installed on the car using those binder clips. And I also used a couple of other things to get it held on. There is the exhaust. I had to get a new hanger for it to hang it lower, since it did sit higher without the lip inserted. But now that it is, I did some modifications and it's sat pretty good. I did burn a little bit of it when I was doing my rally this year, but here's some other shots of it. This is just a little better lighting at the gas station that I was at. Overall, it was not that hard of a project to do, as long as you got the right people to help you along the way. Sorry once again that this video took so long to get put together. It's just been a lot of stuff going on over the end of summer. Here's another shot at a car show I was at. You can see it looks pretty good. If you get up close, like I said, you can see some little bit of imperfections here and there, but it's something that the normal person isn't going to see or look for. And we're going to move over to our final shot, which is kind of up close, or the closest picture I had at least, but you can see it there. This was at the last car show I did of the year, and there's just some little spots where like my Dremel cuts for the slits where you insert them into the bumper weren't the greatest, but overall it's, like I said, very minor, can't really tell, and it's been holding up great so far. The paint match, we didn't do any color matching or nothing. That was just sprayed on, exactly how it looked, and it turned out pretty good. So this has been part 2 of how to install that bumper on there, just basically showing you the body work behind it and then it on the car. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time.